You can easily draw the kind of concept about saying the kinds of topic one that what exactly intending to make you tell. The topic one is saying that caste based reservations in today's contest. Caste based reservations in today's contest. That is the topic. That is the today's issue. So, you know, that is caste based reservations is really favorable or not. We need to have a kinds of enough discussions regarding that kinds of issue. That is, uh, if reservation becomes the caste based, so how does the people will react? First query. Here the people indicating that all kinds of people, not only, uh, especially here the most stresses are given to those kinds of people who are beyond of the caste. Means you are unreserved, not any reserved. That is called general. They feel some of the problem because you know that to face any kinds of exams or to do kinds and for taking any kinds of admissions in any of the school colleges, the caste creating an issue. The different kinds of caste privileged people are getting the most advantages. That they are getting advantage, it's okay, but general people are getting deprived of having it. With having their more marks also, when they see that in front of their eyes a lower mark people getting the chance to take admissions to get the jobs in government sectors also, and also most of the significant or sensitive places where his general friend could not have a kinds of entry, though they have the rich in marks, but yet not possible. Only the caste based people are getting privilege. That is the very sensitive issue. They could not able to manage it, and a contest is getting formed. How would we able to overcome that kinds of concept? uh, we can think something different way. They should be given a kind of privilege, right? In some economical facilities, some beneficiaries facilities, as because we have a issue that we start thinking like that. One thing that is they don't have the power to earn the amount. They are economically poor, and they if they are not often they are not, if the some economical help is not being provided to them, it would be really impossible for them to survive in their life. It's very true. So therefore, as a consequence, a need of help is very much required toward towards those kinds of people. But it's not by attributing the caste the on them, by attributing the caste on them, the general people would be deprived. General people who are majority, who are forming a majority in the population, they're frustrated, they're depressed. As a consequence, what happening, they are uh, getting distracted from the competitions, and they demotivated. They're thinking that education doesn't have any kinds of value, and it shows always the partiality. So the time has really come that what should be done. But I am not also saying in that kinds of debate that they should be ignored. That is not because we, if we would like to need a kinds of balanced society, both would be adjusted, otherwise it would be quite imbalanced. But let the time, let the scenario be exposed that what should be the appropriate decisions. My common question, simple query to all of the people: what should be the common issue and how to resolve it? To resolve that kinds of issue, there should be given some of the jobs by the caste based reservations issue, or by caste based reservation issue, which would also a kind of panic or cause for the general people to not to accept it or something different way, so that the caste based reserved people should not be deprived, as well as in general it would such a kinds of conditions, a dimension would be created in such a kinds of way so that every people would think, every people get convenience. The time has really uh, come to rethink about that. So I throw my queries to the all of the people who are watching that kinds of channel, my channels. You send your comment, and after that we will also can able to arrange a kind of GD or the group discussion regarding that kinds of very sensitive issue. Thanks my viewers a lot of for watching it, and if you are new in that particular kinds of channels, please subscribe it if you like it, and share, and your valuable comment is very remarkable to me. If you have any query, you please send your comment. Thanks a lot of